Have you ever wondered what it feels like to chase the sky? To follow giants of color as they rise with the morning sun? Welcome to the balloon watching and chasing tour in Cappadocia, one of the most exhilarating and unforgettable experiences you can have in this magical region. Before dawn breaks, we set out. The air is still cool. The horizon slowly brightens. And then, in the distance, silhouettes appear. Hundreds of hot air balloons preparing for liftoff. From the valley floor, you watch with anticipation. Boom! A balloon rises, then another, and another still. They float effortlessly against the soft morning glow, their vibrant colors painting the sky. But this tour is more than watching, it's chasing. We navigate scenic routes through valleys and rock formations, driving closer to the balloons as they ascend, feeling the thrill of motion, anticipation, and discovery. It's adventure with a purpose. Every twist and turn, offering a new perspective, a new angle, a new breathtaking photo opportunity. Whether you're a photographer, a traveler, or simply someone who wants an unforgettable memory, this is how you experience Cappadocia from the ground up. The balloon watching and chasing tour, where every morning feels like a story waiting to be told. Experience this adventure with Wow Cappadocia.